Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, August 27th. Well, a band of showers dropped southward last night across Pennsylvania associated with a weak frontal system. That band of showers affected the New York City region late in the evening, Philadelphia around midnight or so, and the Washington, D.C. metro region early this morning. The remnants of that band of showers is pulling off to the south and east of the Delmarva Peninsula. It's weakened quite a bit, and it's really left some clear skies in its wake along the I-95 corridor across Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City. Looks like it'll be a mostly sunny day, just a slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. Very likely rain-free for the entire day in the I-95 corridor. Very warm with high temperatures approaching 90 degrees in some mid-Atlantic locations later on this afternoon. Certainly the mid to upper 80s will be commonplace at a minimum along the I-95 corridor. Let's take a look at the current upper level chart, 500 millibar map, because it kind of tells the whole story once again. Very strong and widespread upper level high pressure centered over the midsection of the nation. On the northern peripheral of this high, right in this region, it's kind of like the ring of fire, bands of showers and thunderstorms rotating from the northwest to the southeast. Winds flow clockwise around high pressure areas. So we have this motion like this in the southwestern part of the U.S., on the southwestern flank of this high. We have a lot of moisture coming in from Mexico and the Pacific Ocean into the southwest part of the U.S. Some of that moisture is from the remains of Tropical Storm Ferdinand that moved off the Gulf of Mexico into eastern Mexico over the last 24 to 48 hours or so. Lots of that moisture will flow into the southwest U.S. over the next couple of days. But this clockwise flow surrounding this very strong upper level high kind of dictates the whole story on a nationwide basis in this latter part of August. Here's a current infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. And again, you can see the clockwise flow here with the movement of the clouds. Here's the high pressure area situated right in this region with all these clear skies in the middle part of the country. Meanwhile, clouds around the peripheral of this high flowing in a clockwise fashion. Lots of moisture here over Mexico. Flooding rains from the remains of Tropical Storm Ferdinand that pulled in off the Gulf of Mexico. Some of that moisture moves into the southwestern part of the country over the next couple of days. Lots of moisture already off the Pacific flowing all the way across the southern Rockies into the northern plains. And here we have bands of showers and thunderstorms across Wisconsin and Michigan. Moving southeast towards Ohio and West Virginia. They're really in the line of fire over the next several hours, Ohio and West Virginia. Meanwhile, you can see that line of clouds here, right in this region right here, moving to the south and east. That's associated with that weak trough or weak frontal system that passed through from the north to the south across Pennsylvania last night. Again, in its wake, lots of clear skies this morning along the I-95 corridor. Here's the latest radar loop from the Penn State EWAL site. Bands of showers and thunderstorms rotating from the northwest to the southeast around the peripheral of that strong upper level ridge in the middle part of the country. All of this looks like it's headed towards Ohio and West Virginia. Here are the remains of that band of showers that pulled through the southeastern part of Pennsylvania last night in New York City, affected D.C. early this morning. It's weakened quite a bit, but has acted to promote some clear skies this morning in the I-95 corridor. Again, it looks like mostly sunny conditions with very warm and humid temperatures and humidity values, and just a slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, as again, most of the activity will stay to the west across Ohio and West Virginia this afternoon. Well, we already looked at the upper level map. How about the surface map? This is for the nation as a whole. A little bit of a trough here depicted by NOAA right along the I-95 corridor. That's associated with that band of clouds that we saw, and it caused a band of showers last night and early this morning. It's pulling off to the south and east. Upstream, however, a whole bunch of weak frontal systems here, and that'll keep things unsettled in the Mid-Atlantic region as they're all dropping south and east around the outer peripheral of that high pressure ridge centered right in this region right here. So it'll stay unsettled for the next couple of days. Certainly chance for a shower or thunderstorm up and down the I-95 corridor this evening, overnight, again tomorrow, and even on Thursday. Cannot rule out the chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Well, let's take a look at a few forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. This is for this evening. Still a little bit of a trough here along the East Coast, and there can be a shower or a thunderstorm, but for the most part, the activity looks like it'll hold to the western side of the I-95 corridor across western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, maybe into the D.C. region. There'll be a shower or thunderstorm late in the afternoon or again tonight. Again, all this rotating basically from the northwest to the southeast. Centered this morning over Wisconsin, Michigan, and it looks like it's headed towards Ohio, West Virginia, perhaps affecting the D.C. region late in the day or early tonight. This is the forecast map for tomorrow morning. Another area of showers and thunderstorms upstream, moving from the northwest to the southeast. Certainly can be a few showers and heavy thunderstorms tomorrow along the Mid-Atlantic I-95 corridor tomorrow afternoon as yet another weak frontal system moves into the region. Does not clear things out completely, and it looks like the threat for a shower or thunderstorm will continue right into the day on Thursday. And here's the forecast map for tomorrow evening, Wednesday evening. A fairly widespread area of showers and thunderstorms depicted here by the GFS model. Certainly that threat will continue into the overnight hours tomorrow night and again on Thursday. Cannot rule out a shower or a thunderstorm. So conditions overall remain somewhat unsettled here in the Mid-Atlantic region for the next 48 hours or so, and quite warm to end the month of August. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.